If you need to cancel a pending transfer on Allo Moves, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Allo Moves website or app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account associated with the pending transfer you wish to cancel. Step 2. Navigate to your transfers. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRUC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Locate the pending transfer. In the transfers section, find a specific transfer that you want to cancel. It should be listed among your recent transactions, typically marked as pending. Step 4. Select the transfer. Click on the pending transfer to view more details. This will usually provide you with options related to the transfer, including the option to cancel it. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Choose the option to cancel the transfer. You may be prompted to confirm your decision. Follow any additional instructions provided to finalize the cancellation process. Once you have completed these steps, your pending transfer should be successfully cancelled. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Allo Moves customer support for further assistance.